Disclaimer. This video was created solely for educational purposes as a course requirement. The views, opinions, and personal experiences shared by the presenters are intended for academic discussion and reflection. Any personal stories are shared with the consent of those involved or have been modified to protect individual privacy. No copyright infringement is intended for any materials used in this presentation.
So, good day everyone. Welcome to our video podcast entitled Living a Virtuous Life. So, we are the voice of virtue, and today we will be sharing our personal experience and reflections on how virtues influence the decision we make every day. So,
So, living virtuous life means choosing do what is right, even it is difficult. It is about developing good character and practicing values such as honesty, responsibility, kindness, respect, and integrity in our daily lives.
Living a virtuous life helps shape us who we are as individuals. They guide us in making ethical decisions and building meaningful relationship with others.
Now, though discussion, we hope to show that virtues are not just concepts that we learn in school. There are values that practice through our action, experience, and choices.
so my one of personal experience is responsibility. It happened during my first year in college. I procrastinated on an important assignment and I thought I still have time. So, unfortunately, I forgot about the deadline and received a lower grade. So, virtue that was challenged was responsibility. It was difficult because I had to accept the consequences of my action instead of making excuses. So, I decided to take accountability and improve my time management. Looking back, I believe it was the right decision because it taught me that being responsible is important not only in academics but also in life. So, the lesson I learned is that responsibility means fulfilling our duties whenever no one is reminding us. So, today I make schedules and avoid procrastinating whether possible.
Sa akong experience is na-involve ang honesty. During sa exam kay usa sa classmate ako kay ni-offered og answer nga dili jud sure nga several nga questions niya human na to kay kanang gi-accept nako pero ako ginoon na kay unfair man so kanang gi-decide nako nga mo answer ko kasi ako ang jud nga kanang balag di ko kakuha og high score nya kanang lisod yun sa kuha kay lagi kay di ako ra nga answer nga para makakuha lang ko good nga grade nya na realize nako kay kanang cheating kay temporary ra na nga success nya moto kay kining gibot nako ang mao nga sakto nga desisyon nga mo honest nako sa kung pag answer sa kong exam niya. Since then I have become more confident in accepting mistakes and learning from them.
Indot. So, sa ako asad kay ang practice sa virtue kay ang compassion. So, one day kakuan mi kita ko sa akong classmate nga galingkod sa kilid paghuman sa mga exam. So kuan na ang uban na pasagdaan na siya di siya tagdon. Ako practice mo compassion. So, ako siyang giduol kay galingkod siya to kay paghuman sa mga exam lagi ako siyang giduol kay modagi nato siya kay gamay di siya kuan day score day. So ako siyang giduol na istoryaan encourage na di siya mo give up. So kato gamay ra nga butang pero nindot siya ma-realize ni mga kuan jud kanang kindness jud ba impact sa ubang tao na lesson na kay I learned this compassion doesn't always require grand gesture. Sang gagmay lang gud nga kuan tabang-tabang storya gamay support sa uban para di sila mo give up.
So, more than a day, my experience is about discipline. Pag-discipline na sa uglingon ba? Yeah, like many students, I often spend a lot of time on social media and online games. Daghan kayo, mas giuna pa na akong duwa kaysa pagtuon. O napiktuhan nga niya sa akong grado. Yeah. I decided to set limits on my screen time and create a study schedule. So, at first it's difficult because it required na kanang imong dapat mag-discipline na ka pag bawal lagi ito. Dapat disiplinahon mo linggo however over time I noticed improvements in my grades and productivity. Looking back, I believe it was the right decision because self-discipline it helped us achieve our goals. Today, I continue practicing self-discipline by balance my responsibility and habits.
So, question. Why are virtues important in today's society? So, ang virtues importante ni sa today nga society because it help us become more responsible and trustworthy individuals. So, mo-guide ni sa ato in making ethical decision. So, in both personal and professional situation. Question. Which virtue is the most difficult for young people to practice? Over.
I believe nga self-discipline is one of the most difficult virtues because we are constantly surrounded by distractions as social media and entertainment.
Si question mo. Question mo na ko.
Sobre.
I also nito.
Orange.
How can college student develop virtuous habits?
Si. Ito ba? College student can develop virtues by practicing and them consistently and small ways such as being punctual, respecting others, and taking responsibility for their action. Responsible jud silang action para ni simple ra kay nga kuan virtues responsible sa kagalingon, respeto sa uban.
living a virtuous life is not about being perfect. It is about making the right choice, learning from our experience, and continuously striving to become better individuals. So,
Let us remember that small act of honesty, kindness, and responsibility and compassion can create meaningful changes in our lives and in the lives of others. So, blue to.
Thank you for listening, and we encourage everyone to practice virtues every day.